So let's go. Data is being sent. Let's see. It says upcoming. I already got a link. Oh, looks like we're live. Nice. So let's paste this into... Let's paste this on Discord. One moment. Yeah, so here we go. Notified stream. We are alive. Okay, cool, that's exciting. I hope the music is not too loud, otherwise let me know. Where can I see the comments? By the way, I'm using Restream for this, so wait, I'll just go to YouTube if someone is writing there. I'm a total streaming rookie, I have to say. I've been doing some streams on 5-letter Vision, which is a VR project I'm working on, but yeah, I've done like 8 streams there. It's loud, bro. Hoo-hoo, let's go. The music is too loud? I'll set the music a bit down. You even hear it louder than I do. Okay. Better now? Is the music better? Okay, now you should hear the same sound level as I do it, and it's not too loud. If it is too loud, let me know. Okay, anyways, we getting started. I'm also gonna put up the Discord if anyone is gonna write here. I'm doing a split screen on my right screen. Vuforia is not available for Android, isn't it? Oh, yes, it is. What's not available is the Vuforia Creator app. That's not available for Vuforia, but this is only the app that you need to create the area target or to capture the point cloud. I'll be using an iPhone for this that has LiDAR support. We're gonna see this in a few minutes, hopefully. But yeah, the Vuforia engine, which then runs inside the Unity app, is also supported on Android. So just for the capture part, you would need either an iPhone or iPad with LiDAR support, or one of those professional cameras, Matterport, Navis, Leica, etc. What could be possible? Let's see, the Creator API. Is the Creator API supported on Android? Capturing space with Area Target Capture API is supported on iOS device with LiDAR. Yeah, that's a bit of a bummer. Eventually, I hope they will have some mechanism for Android as well. So, hey, thanks for watching, and this is so exciting to have this kind of format for this. I was thinking a long time to create more detailed tutorials, but this takes so much time. And so to take a bit away the stress, I thought this is maybe something cool people can watch and then ask questions. So we're gonna call this ARNF Vuforia Community. This is kind of the community version. Gonna create a project, boom. A Git project, and then I'm gonna Hopefully that works with SSH. I should work with... Yeah, that should work. Now let's take this one. We have my Git Kraken. How is the music, by the way? Is the music too loud? Can you still hear me talking normal? Let's give this... Where is it? Ah, here it is. Okay, so this... it's clone a repo. Everything is perfect. Thanks, Lizzie. Yeah, so I'm going to create a new project right here. So we're going to start right from scratch here, which is for some of you maybe a bit disappointing because they already have some experience. But on the other side, I had some people ask me, hey, can you show me this? Can you show me this? And those are very basic stuff that they ask me. So I think it's perfect to start a new project to meet kind of everyone's needs. We're just going to start a core project, universal. We're not going to do this. There's too much set up already. We want to start why not using the universal? Why do you have to download something? How does the template? We're just going to start with this one. NF demo, NF community. No, I don't want the community. Why can I not click this button? What's the problem? I need to second place. Projects enough. Oh gosh. Projects have community. Select folder. The whole day I'm working with Mac, and in my private time I work on Windows, so it's a bit challenging UI sometimes. But here we go. Okay, the only problem now, it doesn't open yet. That's good. Or is it? It's already opening, because the thing, I think it creates a new folder inside. That's not what I want. I actually want this in the root. Let's just let it start up the first time. In the background, we can already start downloading Vuforia. So I've logged already in. I created a new license inside the developer portal. You just hit get basics, and then you get this license. And then here we're gonna download 10.15.4, 10.25.4. Okay, in a minute that's ready. Yeah, let's leave this here. Is this... No, that's probably downloading all the... Yeah, it doesn't show it while it's doing that. So what I can do is go to my other projects. For example, this one. I'm gonna grab the... where's the git ignore? Git ignore is here. This contains all of the stuff that we don't want always. It's like not something magical. This is the file. Oh, where is it? Too much stuff from work still open. Oh, of course I closed the correct one. This is a basic. This is from a repo from Unity. It's just the git ignores, and I think I added some. No, that was in the older version. Okay, so we grab this. Put this here. And then we close this one again. And we just grab the whole thing. Are there? This invisible is also visible. Okay, so let's move this here. And then we delete this one. This is just better for the Git stuff. And then in the Unity hub, we're gonna say here, move project from list, because it's gonna be in a new folder. By the way, you don't have to do this like I do. This is just how I want it in my Git repository. So that when I have the root folder, I want immediately the projects. So that's a bit special, but yeah. Okay, let's get this started. Yeah, so basically today I want to start working on I will show how to set everything up, the Vuforia inside the Unity. And then I will try to import or create my first area target and then add a simple thing. And then I don't know how far we can go today. I've planned 1.5 to 2 hours. So I shall see. Why is my scene, my hierarchy missing? Panels, layouts, 2x3. Well, why is it on the right side? Default. Yeah, there you go. Okay, some people like this on the right side. I think it's okay like this. So I have the main camera, we have the texture light. Perfect. And we already go into the building here. We're gonna switch this to Android. If I would be on a Mac device, at some point of the project, I will switch to iOS, but I have to be on the Mac, and I can build also an app for iOS, which is really cool for Vuforia. So we switch to Android. Let's go to the player settings. What's the name of my company? I don't have a company name. It's basically just my name. Well, yeah, I have a company, but it's just my name. So I'm just gonna do Josh. Let's call it Josh Pizza Oven. And let's call this RNF community, and let's start with 001. We're not going to create an icon today. But yeah, you find some tutorials about that stuff. Yeah, we were about the rest later. There might be some things we have to adjust here in the rendering settings. So for now I just leave it like this, and we see later if we have to adjust stuff here. It's also been a long time to start this, so please apologize if I take sometimes a bit longer to think about things. Target API level. Ooh, this must be, I think, now 34. I think this is the new standard to publish to Play Console. And so, yeah, publish settings we're gonna worry about also later. Yeah, so let's get this is one thing that I always do. I take the project settings inside here, so this is easier to access. And then I also want to take a look into the package manager, because I want to get rid of, I also take this inside here. I want to get rid of some stuff. I'm not using the JetBrains writer editor, but sometimes this is stuff, this is attached to this one. Yeah, basically I need the Visual Studio editor. You could also do Visual Studio Code. I've had some 3 years ago I had some bad experiences with Visual Studio Code. The debugging didn't work so well, so I'm gonna stick with Visual Studio. Settings Manager, Text Mesh Pro. Oh, this is default now. Interesting. Okay, let's update this. Why is this not updated? Timeline Unity UI. I think that's okay. I don't remember how to get rid of those individually, but maybe you have to get rid of this one. But I think the profile analyzer can be useful. For example, when you build the app, that you see which the size of the APK and stuff. Okay, so I think we're good for a first scene. Now let's check into the library. So when working on this project, I was all the time into the docs. This is like the most visited website when working on this project. Develop with error targets, Unity guide. Okay, is there some guides to set it up? No. Oh, getting started maybe. Overview. Let's see if there's... Why is it taking me back here? Overview. Okay, interesting. Weird. Development environments, Unity. Ah, here we go. Here's just some basic... Okay, add Vuforia engine to your project. They also recommend this. Engine extension. So here we're going to do this. So we're going to do this. Asset import package, custom package. Download, add Vuforia. Yeah, it's this one. Yes. Would like to update your project, include Vuforia from the package. Yeah, I don't have an older one, so yes. And then I think we're gonna do a first commit. And this is done. Let's see, and then for engine, check for updates, engine setup. Yeah, the air camera. And then the whole settings and for features. And then the image target or whatever. They just give an example of the image target. For target previews. Okay, yeah, so you want to always keep those updated, of course. Yeah, and then we're gonna try run your scene. Okay. Let's see, this is done. It looks like. Vuforia engine, air camera. You're not using Yeah, so make sure you read this. Make sure you read this at least before you publish your app. There might be some stuff that could be needed regarding legal stuff. Okay, so here we have the air camera. Yes, the most basic thing. And here we're gonna open the... Ah, this is new. That's... Okay, then we go here. I add my license. Where was the license? Somewhere here. Aha, I need to get it again. Quickly copy the license over. Here we go. Voila. And this delayed initialization, this is if you want to start the AR session when the actual camera is being used for AR. If you want to do this, this is very useful. I mean, most of the time in your app you will do this. We can maybe add this later into the tutorial. Yeah, this is quite complex if you do this right away in the first try. Video background, shaders, track device pose, yes, air core requirement. I would say yes, but say optional. Let's change this to simulator. This way we can, yeah, for air target doesn't make sense to go with webcam unless you really want to go around with your notebook in your room. But this is rather for like image targets or other stuff. Recording is really cool. Once you've recorded, and there is a recording API for Vuforia, so you can record an AR session and then you can later run it in the app, and it's actually like you can run the editor, but it's actually your recording like of the video. It's really cool. If you want to debug something, or if you have a client in another country that is working on it, you can let him record it, and then you can use the recording to do the debugging. Okay, so I think we're good with the settings. Then our next step will be already there a target, I think. Yeah. So for this, I'm gonna use my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and that's, oh, is this in landscape always? Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I logged in here, and my idea was, so that you can see, I was about to create a Zoom call. Let's hope that works. And I'm gonna join a meeting here with my device, and yeah, so nobody's here. Good. So let's create a join meeting. Don't connect audio. Turn off my video. Yes. I couldn't find another easier way to stream my video from. So now I'm in there and I can share my screen, hopefully. Share screen. Start broadcast. Let's see if that works. Yeah, There will be a bit of delay, but I hope that works. Okay, I'll get out of Zoom here. Boom. Okay, so I'm gonna walk in my apartment because obviously this will be not I won't do this on my laptop, on my computer, so I will go to the living room and scan the... Why did it stop? Ah, okay, we're still here. So yeah, you're gonna not hear me for a while until then. Well, it's like taking 5 minutes is the max, but voilà. Let's do this. Okay, I'm back. Will you post a recorded stream? Yes, of course. Does the license key have usage cap apart from error target scanning? Does the license key have usage cap apart from error target scanning? Yes. So if you see now, no, it's when. Yes, so every error target, or maybe it's in exporting. Yeah, so every error target that you scan will, or I created now an error target, and that was like one of those 20 error targets that are free in the basic license. And so I could also have said no and create another one. So yeah, but yeah, I've been also using multiple emails for different projects. So if I worked on another project for another client, I ask for another license for another email, and then I was able to do it with the email. I was able to create a new account and then had then again those 20 free. So I'm now gonna export this. But how? Reset tracking. Here I'm able to save. Share. Okay, I'm gonna close this. So that was the creation card, not something, the creation part, not something overcomplicated. You sign in, you start the capture, and then on the device you have a 5 minutes limit. That's a bit a bummer, but that also is good that it doesn't get too big. Obviously for the you would use this only for prototyping, for testing an idea, or for using an example for a client. And it's a bit loud now. And you would want to use Matterport or Leica or Navis for bigger areas, obviously. So let's get this somehow. What's the best way? Can I upload this to Google Drive? Here we go. My drive. Create new folder. ARNAV. Community. Save here. Boom, upload. And what is the second? So first I created an error target, and then I immediately tested it, and that's where you saw the outlines. And then I created a session recording. This is what I was talking about at the beginning, that I can use this recording later here in the scene. In play mode device tab, I can use recording, and then I can browse this file, and I can use this instead of the simulator. We can maybe take a look at that. So this should be uploaded. Let's go on the Google Drive. Let's see if we find this here. To which Google Cloud did I upload it? To this one. Here we go. Boom. Okay, download this. Okay, and then I'm gonna upload the session recording. I wonder how large this is. So the error target we generated was 83 megabytes. Oh, the session recording is 230 megabytes. Yeah, that's kind of expected because it's the whole video feed. Okay, upload. Yeah, okay, let's upload this. Import. Oh, let's first create the basic setup. The first one will be a bit big. Basic setup. Setup with engine. We already installed the Vuforia engine, so that's good. Let's also already do a README, a more or less usable README. I always do this with Visual Studio Code. Let's grab a recent one. Oh, Firetruck. We can reuse this one. And we're gonna open this. Let's keep the top. Birth of repo is the 7th of September 2024. Homepage. Is there a project homepage? No. We'll just link tree of my. Eventually there will be a project homepage probably. Oh, today's an Apple event. Is there an Apple event? Developer conference or something? And showing new projects and stuff. Okay. It's running right now. I'll never watch this stuff. It's just product demo. I'm sure it's fun and stuff, but whatever. Okay, they're doing a live stream as well. Good to know. What did I want to do? Actually, I wanted to copy the link tree. Or is it actually? No. I think I had a website, but what was it? Ah, yeah. Josh. So if you go to this website, you should come. Is there no certificate on it? There should be. Anyways. Okay, so this is Unity air navigation template with Unity and Vuforia. Okay, let's do this view word wrap. So we have 001, which is today. Basic setup. How to format, voila. So I think we keep it under 0 until we actually publish to the Unity asset store. And then, yeah, I think that's correct. Unity 2.2.3.44, yeah, okay. Where we go? there was a second question, I think, on YouTube. Will you post a recorded stream? Thanks. Yes, of course, Bernard. I will be up. It will be available on the channel after the stream, or maybe I will check it, and if everything's okay, I will leave it there. Yeah, the new iPhone 16 and AirPods Pro 4. Okay. More ways to spend your money or waste. I hate how Apple is intentionally slowing down the progress in technology just to have another option to buy next year, which is insane. Like they could implement better stuff already today, but no, they wait until next year, and then next year they already planned out a lot of stuff, and they sell it as, oh wow, we have good new stuff. I have drink all your previous tutorial and watched the hospital demo thing. You were working for your masters. Ah, okay. You drink my tutorials? Sorry. It's a bit funny English. But I do understand for me it's hard as well with English. It's not my native language. You were working for your no, it was my bachelor thesis, and I was not able to make it work. Yeah, so I hope you can help you if in this tutorial. So let's check one thing. I still need to go out of this Zoom call on my phone. Leave. Okay, and then one thing that we just saw in the Git, which can be frustrating, is that one file is bigger than the limit. So we need to turn on Git LFS, Git large file system. Oh, you rewatched it. Oh gosh. And it still didn't work. Yeah, that could be frustrating, sorry. Sometimes, obviously I didn't cover all of the problems that occurred, but because I was doing the tutorials like half a year or a year later after the project, some problems I didn't cover. So Git LFS, I always have to look it up. Download install. I don't think I've installed it on this device, so we're gonna do that. Okay, download install. Once download install, set up user account by running. Okay, once per user account. What does that mean? You mean in my account? Initialized, perfect. In each Git repository where you want to use Git LFS, select the file types you would like to Git LFS to manage. Okay, for this we need to push again to see what the message is. Come on. Show me your message. I don't know where to see the previous messages. Here, maybe? Let's take a screenshot. Boom, we got it. Or is there a message here? What file is that? Do we see a log here? Failed to push to some prefs, but I don't see a detailed message. Okay. Anyways, so I'm gonna check this out. What was that message? GitLab, you're attempting to check in on more blobs which exceeded To solve this area, you must either reduce the size of the above blobs or you just LFS room. You may use Git LS3-R to see the file path. Okay, so this is the blob ID. Okay, so let's get the terminal up. Projects. What was it called? Yeah, this one. And then we do Git ls3-r. Oops, that was the wrong. I'll make a pipe. No, I want a pipe. How can I make a pipe on Windows? Alt-gr on the German keyboard. Alt-gr, grab. And then the blob ID. You now have to copy this or what? Oh, come on. There's one cool thing on a Mac. I can just copy this number from images. I don't know if this is also a Windows thing, but it doesn't look like. Probably don't have to add this dollar. Let's see. 63C 41 B71 AA1 30. Maybe I can copy this from the log. Come on, please tell me somewhere. I don't want to copy this by hand. Let's try again, see if I can copy the message. Otherwise I'm screwed. Hey Josh, it's me, can't see me. Nice, Stevius. Playing some warbands. Oh no, I clicked it away. Can I copy the message? I cannot copy the message. Horrible. Horrible. Can I? Wait, let's try to be smart. Let's try to be smart. Projects. I will push in the editor and the terminal, and then hopefully the message will be visible there. Where do we go? AR nav community git push. Here we should see the message. Yeah, that should be a bug report to Git Kraken that you cannot see the full message unless it's shown here. What time is it? 20. Application, what does that mean? Yeah, so this is regarding this. That's the application of the it's regarding Git Kraken and not regarding the repo activity. So let's see. Yes, we are smart. Here we go. Oh, come on, let me copy this. Stupid terminal. Copy. Do I have it? Let's check. Yes, we do have it. Okay, let's see which file this is. There is OCR in snipping tool for text copying from image. Yeah, I used snipping tool. But is it like right after you take it? I disabled it that it's popping up right away. Maybe it's the problem. In here? No. It's editing. Let's see, snipping tool. here? Oh, here. No, not the whole thing. Ah, there you go. Yeah, nice. Thanks. Another way to the goal. I cannot paste. Oh gosh, I hate the Windows terminal. Let's see if we can copy it from here again. Copy, paste. Yes. Ah, gosh. Yeah, of course, there's no... Let's go in here, git bash. There's no grep. pvd projects. Do we have the command from there? No. That would be magical. Shift insert. Oh gosh. We gotta delete this. Voila. Ah, it's the Vuforia. Of course, TGC. Do we need the TGC? Oh, I don't remember. I will leave it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, where's our Git LFS window? I have too much stuff open. This is the comments, and this is this. Why do you have 3? What is this? Aha. I have this open twice. No. I just deleted. No, not deleted. I removed. Let's change back to the stream so I actually see your comments. Total live stream noob here. So, okay. Let's see. Where were we? Let's see this playlist. You have to tell me if the music is too boring. Oh, we started over again. Coding late. Let's see if we can generate a new playlist. But probably you don't recognize it. It's just something in the background. But for the sake of variety, we'll change to something else. Okay. So now we have to go back to Git LFS. How do we track this Git LFS track? How make sure it is Git attributes? Okay. Let's do Git. Oh, come on. What is shift insert? What is insert? Well, that was for nothing. Okay, and then this. Oh, come on. No. This. There is no step 3, just commit and push. Okay, yeah. Track TGC on Git Elf file system. Okay, now we should be able to push. And then we're gonna have this my home as an area target. Let's create a folder for this actually. Oh, we have it here. Oh, why did I download it? Okay, we just unwrap it. How do I unwrap it? Voila. And then we also can unwrap the recording. And how long will the stream still be? Let's see. What did I plan? Ooh, still 15 minutes. And we have done nothing. Yeah, so this is the recording. Just gonna delete this one. And this we're gonna import. Yeah, come on, import your stuff. Yes, if I delete it, I wanted to delete it. So here's the basic setup, and then we're gonna add a area target like this, and then we're gonna first thing we want to do is, are the area targets in the assets? I think in the editor. We shall see. Okay, so let's import the actual area target. No, it was in the Google Drive. Let's actually add this here. Where is it? There you go. Josh Home. Boom. Yeah, so it's going into the editor and the streaming assets. So this streaming assets, this is what is actually going onto the device, onto the, if you build it, and the other stuff is just for the editor. And I wonder how big this is on the device. So let's go to the project, blah, 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 projects. Let me go here to, where's it go? You can also check in Git. Editor, this is all editor stuff. And then streaming assets, streaming assets. Let's go check assets, streaming assets. Vuforia. Yeah, so the Pond dot, if you open this with Visual Studio Code, for example, just once. It's not dependent because it's binary. Oh. Is this not, was this text before? This is basically a database of the point cloud. I'm surprised that this is binary because I thought I saw this before. Maybe they also encrypted it. But so my whole home, or not my whole home, my living room is compromised to 1.5 megabytes, which is pretty good. Pretty well optimized, I think. So my whole point cloud is only 1 megabyte, 1.5. So now I can select Josh Home, boom, and I have my living room. Yay. Here's some mirroring. But yeah, so this is the area target, Josh Home. And then we're just gonna add a cube. Test cube. Let's do half the size. I might do a bit longer today because it's the first stream, and so do until 8:45. So still half an hour. Let's see what we can do in half an hour. So let's actually build this to an Android device. let's also get a bit of order here. I always like to do a folder my assets. So this way I have all my stuff in one folder. And here we're gonna have, for example, material. And here we're gonna create a material. Here we go. We call it orange. Let's have some beautiful orange. No, not metallic. Smooth. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. So let's keep this here. And something else I also like to have always is, or just for the beginning, a cube that is at 0. So you know where the so let's create a new cube, and this is gonna be at 0, 0, 0. We're gonna create a new one. Material. Let's call it red. Let's make it red. Let's make it smoothless or smoothless. I don't know. Okay, and where is it? 0, 0 is here. It's also. Oh, we can actually do this one. Ah, no, that was not what I wanted. Like this, 0.5, voila. Hello, this one. There we go. So interestingly, I just did that where I think here I started the recording here. So that's probably why here is 0. So, and actually this 0, when I start here my air session, I expect it to be here. Let's already try the simulator. Oh, what is this? Okay, so yeah, that's, and why do I not see the air target? That's a bit weird. Where's my camera? Somewhere out there. Why do I not see? Do I have multiple? Ah, I still have multiple cameras. Can I get rid of this one? There we go. Boom. There we go. So here we are in the simulator. And okay. I think we're ready to go for a first build. Let's see if this works. I luckily still had an Android test device at home from work. So while this is starting up, let's actually start to create some. Let's already make a commit for that. Yeah, we imported. Chars. Imported error target. Okay, let's see debugging. Yes, you can allow debug. Yes. Okay, then let's see. No. Shut up. So let's see if we can select it from here. Yes, this is good. That's a cool thing about Android. On iOS, you need to set up the whole provision and things. Do you plan to stream every day? Oh, geez, no. My wife will not like that. I would love to, but Tuesday evening we usually have firefighter training. Wednesday I have meetings from church. Thursday I have a break. Usually evenings is bringing kids to bed. After, if you have young kids, so my kids are 2 and 4, and so basically after 5 o'clock in the evening, you're occupied until they're asleep, and usually they're asleep at 9 or 10. So yeah, unfortunately not. I'll be streaming weekly. That's the plan for now. If time permits, maybe 2 times a week, but yeah, we'll see. So the plan is now once a week, which is already much more than I was when I didn't stream until now. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Maybe I can do more than once a week. What do I want to do? I actually wanted to make a first build. Let's make a first build and run this build and run. I want this not on my, let's do this here, F. So just right here. Yay, cannot, what's your problem? Oh, it's still building. Error, invalid QLS state in view, verify all things. What the heck? Is this some Unity? You have not added the scene. Unity Pro, right? There you go. Oh, actually, I don't want the sample scene. Well, you are the pro, Bernard. Where is the scene? Scene is here. Let's rename the scene. Source demo scene. And then I want this into there. Great. Now I want to see. Yeah, this we can delete. Boom. And here create a folder, scenes. Maybe later we add more scenes. For example, it could make sense to have a starting scene and then go into the AR navigation scene. But yeah, we'll see about that. Okay, so we're in the scene now. Let's see now. Thanks. I always forget to, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, what's your problem? That's why we already do a build now, so we don't have more problems later. Because that often happens when students start a project, they like program for a couple of months, and then 1 week before they have to give in the project, they're like, oh, we cannot build our project. I'm like, why you not try this on your first day? Okay, now I'm really helpless. There's no error, whatever. What the heck? I added the scene. Maybe let's just restart it. Yeah, I'm one of the students who struggle with that. Same. Yeah, man. Mistakes can happen. Next time you'll do better. Let's see. Android etc fallback. Disable. It's a development build. That might be the problem. Because we're not doing a... No. Cannot build player while editor is importing as... Yeah, yes. Why? What is it doing after it? This is just like after the build. It does run the scripts again. Is there a problem? Well, let's try a simple build without phone. Could be a problem with the phone. I never built on this thing, so let's see. Have you go through the recommended player settings? No, I didn't. But obviously I can build. So let's see. Unity. Not this one. Get started. Android. This is... No, this is with Android Studio. Yeah, there are the recommended settings, but where are they? They're not in here. Are they in here? Play mode, recommend. No, this is code. Do you mean those settings? Yeah, those maybe. Yeah. Okay, I will check a look at those. Manifest the merger failed. Okay, the build failed anyways. Other set. So let's go through those. Scripting backend. Let's put this up on the right. Well, I'll just put it on the right side of the screen. You won't see it, but where's this configuration? Invalid characters may have been removed from application identifier. Oh, that's okay. That's, I think, true, Josh. Let's keep it like this. Okay, then release. Compile configuration. Smaller builds, faster runtime, yeah. GC. Then we have assembly version. Doesn't have that anymore. You're making entries build, but does not have. I could enable ARM64. Okay. They say don't put this. Okay. If 32-bit support is required, you should manually add the AirCore library. I'm not gonna do that. Internet access auto. Write permission internal. I know that we have to add somewhere the camera thing. The camera permission. Are we in Android, by the way? Yes. Where is this? Only in iOS? Oh, iOS we don't have even available. Let's see, camera. Oh, you say this is 2. Okay, ARM 7.2. Let's do that. And also the minimum is important to select the one that supports depth API. Okay, do you know which one? So target I set 34. Let's Google it quickly. Which Android API supports depth? Level 24. Okay, so this should be level 24 or higher. Okay, let's do that. Oh, you say 26? Depth API consonant for Android, so this is in German. Oh, great. Ah, it's maybe because of my... Here we go. Here it says 24. I'll take 24. Prerequisites. Requisites. I have no idea how to pronounce that. Okay, let's go with this. And then about camera. Boom, boom. Do I have to enable the camera somewhere in here? I remember in iOS I have to select, like, I have to write down the reason why I want camera. Permission. We shall see. Let's try it. Let's try it with the Android device again. Let's see, debugging enabled, yes. Debugging over VLAN also allow. Okay. Nope. Ah. Okay. Requires Vuforia engine requires a minimum Android level 26. Well, I selected ARM 64. Does it suggest me to not select? Note that you're currently targeting 37-bit ARM 7 and error code is removing support for 30-bit only apps on this removed support materials. Okay, so we now use this. And we need minimum. Okay, Vuforia needs 26. Okay. Voila. At least this time we got a message. Okay, first build after, how long is the stream now? I don't even know, where's my restream? No, this is not it. 1.5 hours. First build. Yoo-hoo. Let's see if it works actually. I will post the repo link in the Discord. Where's this sound coming from? Yeah, so guys, do you hear that too? This is like the weirdest thing. I hear like chunks of audio either from someone else's computer or is it from the preview? I have no other videos open. Someone hacked my headphone. Is it from here? No, I have no videos open. What the heck? I'm being haunted by music. Someone has access to my headphones, Bluetooth. What the heck? Or is it from this? Yeah, what is happening? As soon as I open this, I have this game music. Come with us, you'll be safe. What the heck? Do I have a hidden? Huh? I have no idea what's happening. I wonder if you hear that too, because if it's from the browser, you should hear us as well. You hear it not? You don't hear it? So weird. And now it's just over. What the heck? I never had it before. Weirdest glitch in my life. Weirdest audio glitch. And it's not from the upbeat. I've checked that before. I was like, what the heck is this sound? Let's close this one. Where's the other ones? Working with camera. I have this sound. But that's not where it's coming from. There could be a website running an ad or something. But I would hear that. Ooh, we are in the app. Let's see if we can join a Zoom call again. I think that's so far that's the easiest way to share my screen. Maybe for Android on Windows there's something better. Let me know. There we go. Okay, and then I join from the app, from the phone. Oh, probably Zoom is not installed here. How do I search apps? Oh, yeah. It's been a while I've used Android. Okay, sorry, I have to first install the app here. In the meantime, Let's see. Okay, now I've got the number. Oh, it's installing. Okay, anyways, thanks a lot for this, for the numbers, for the settings here. So let's actually do another commit. Did we add the scene? Yes. We changed the name of the scene. Android build settings. There we go. And now go into the Zoom call. What's the number? Okay, now should I be able to share my screen? I first need to allow it. Boom, yes. So share screen. There you go. So I now should be able to see the screen. Let's see in OBS. Yes. Oh, without this. So now we're gonna start the app. Where is it? I'm so lost. How do I search for apps? Ah, here. AirNav. So yeah, it's asking me if I want to use the camera. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go to the living room, see how it works. So that didn't really work well. Let's see if you can change settings on the array target. How can I stop sharing here? Okay, but the good thing is we can build. Let's just stay in the Zoom call. So there are a few interesting settings on here. Track extended limited. I've also used that with the multi-port scans. Yeah, but actually extended track, that is okay. We're gonna add some more detailed scripts that will help us to know what's happening. So obviously this was not a good run because it was drifting all the time. That should not happen at all. But I wonder also if the lighting was really bad, because now it's already later, but it should calculate us with that. Runtime occlusion mesh, yes, that will be not runtime mesh collider. No, don't need that one. Yeah, that's something good. Then obviously here we want a message when it's fine or not. Yeah, we're gonna have some sort of controller that helps us with the whole thing. So it's only quarter 2, 10:02. I would say call it a day. And next time we start adding some navigation scripts, we can already install the package now. Then what's it called? No, it's not called the navigation. What's it called? Don't remember. What's it called? Did the cube outside the area target also appeared? Yes, it also appeared. I expect this to appear at 0, 0. The drift is what I was facing as well, but basic cube augmentation was fine for me. Yeah, so that drift was a bit big for an area target. I didn't have so big drifts in the multi-port targets, but we'll see the details. Maybe I was moving the device so much or something else. I will try it with better lighting, with better light as well. When will it be? When it will be what? The next stream? The next stream will be next Monday. Let's see. F mesh package unity. AI navigation it's called. Yeah, navigation. Can I install this one? Can already do some basic setups. Okay, so then we want a nav mesh. This is actually the real fun stuff. AI nav mesh surface. Oh no, we don't want to have it as separate, we just add it here. Nav mesh surface. And change the settings a bit. 0.5 height is a bit large. Gonna reduce it a bit because we have some tight spaces. Big. Yeah, except especially because of. Ooh, what's the white stuff? What's the white stuff? Yeah, so one comment about this thing that I haven't shared, I think, on YouTube yet, about this 3D object. You can actually edit this in Blender. And in one client project, I actually did that because they were doing this with Navis. And if you do this with Navis, then if you know about Navis, it's like a camera that you have on your shoulders, and if you walk with this in public areas, you'll have people walking around, and so you'll have like artifacts of have people in 3D in your model, and then when you generate enough meshes, can be very very bad. So one way I found to cope with this is by editing this 3D model, and yeah, we could do this. We could try to do this next time, so you see the process of that. Let's tweak this still a bit. We actually have then so let's do this first. Let's reduce the step height. Oh, that was not good. Then it obviously cannot go there anymore, but why cannot go here? Is there a problem with this cube? Actually, let's add this here. Yeah, that's fine if you can go up to 7.5. That's a bit high. You have to play around with this a bit so it works for your environment. That's not very ideal here. But yeah, obviously this is very tight here. And for spaces like this, you can also create a link. I always do like nav, or you can do them as child. So it's all in one place. Improvements. And for example, you can create an fmesh link. Let's call it guitar link. And then where's here you see the first part of the link. And as soon as you see this blue part, it's recognizing the link connecting to the nav mesh. If it's too far away, it won't connect as a path anymore. So I'm gonna put this here. Oh, that's way too down. Yeah, so now there will be actually a connection here. Agent radius 0.1 maybe. Yes, we can try that. Walkable cost modifier. This is just gonna be 0. Yeah, that helps. Yeah, that helps already. Maybe also the height, because here it's not. But if we reduce the height more, we have a problem with the step height. Ah, no, that was the wrong one. 0.5. Yeah, see, that's a problem. 6. Yeah, that's better. But then I have those ugly parts. Maybe if you reduce that. That's better. Yeah, that's perfect actually. We don't need this link anymore. We're just gonna add a link here. Link behind couch. Yeah, so for the sake of this run, we're just gonna do it like this. Okay. And then let's still start a small script. That's good. Here, nav. Yeah, nav controller, air nav controller. So we're gonna have a child, I think, here, and here we're gonna have the nav mesh agent. This we all leave the same. This is not. This we also put to the same. No, this was. What do we have? Let's just keep the same. Nav mesh agent. Here we're gonna have this. Let's have the same height 0.6, radius 0.1, priority, auto choice off mesh links, auto repath. Okay. High quality, auto braking, stop distance. Okay. And then we're gonna have another controllers. Here we're gonna add, here we're gonna, let's put this into the center. Then we have the air nav controller. Okay, and then we're gonna open this. And then we're gonna also open my previous project. I'm gonna sneak peek a bit. Okay, so here we have the nav mesh agent. We also want a script there. That's putting almost the agent below the camera, and there I actually had something. I had an improvement to my bachelor thesis actually. Nav mesh agent helper. Okay, let's just add this. Let's just keep them in one place. We can organize it more later if there's a need. So let's call this air. Oh no, we can call it nav mesh We just call it agent helper. Agent helper. Nah, nav mesh. Let's name it. Correct nav mesh. Agent helper. No, I don't want feedback. What else would erneut laden? Okay. Well, actually I wanted to have the other one. That's my asset scripts. This one. Voila. So here we have the navmesh agent helper. We have the air camera, which is on the same game component. Oh no, is it? Ah. Agent. Camera main. Ah, okay, this is going to get this one. And then we have this on the agent. And then the mesh render we're gonna add later. We had actually the navmesh agent visibility. Okay. If you want to have like a debugging that you see the actual navmesh agent. And here the air state controller we're gonna do next time. So we're just gonna go, how do you comment? I have no idea. I think there's a keyboard shortcut. Yeah, so we can add this another time. To do. And so we have the navmesh agent, which we still have to add the script. But so basically what it does, it teleports the agent to the camera by X and Y, but we want to take that must be Z. Voila. So on the 2D level we take the position of the camera, but the height we want to take from the agent object, because the navmesh, because once the navmesh agent is on a navmesh, he always tries to be on it. If it's going up, he's going up. If it's going down, he's going down. And I'm using warp for this. Before, I think in my bachelor thesis, I just set the position, I think, from the agent, and that was a big improvement, because I had some issues with the set position, because then sometimes the agent would get stuck on another floor, or yeah. So this was actually the fix for that. And this, if the agent is too far away, position of agent is checked because agent is child of camera. Yeah, so if the position of the agent is bigger than 0, and agent game object transform 0, or because if the local, that's a local position relative to the navmesh agent helper. So if it's bigger than this, then it means it's either a flow below or a flow above, and then we reset it to 0 basically. Actually, this should be 0, but okay. I think that's, yeah, we'll see. In my opinion, this should be 0, because then you reset it like to your position of the camera. but that maybe is also because we still have to add actually this is a capsule. So we also have collision because we want a collider actually. So we move this one. Can I move this? No. Copy. Paste. There we go. Okay, so we have the basics. Let's make this one smaller. Oh, I forget this every time. I wish this would be the default. So this is like our user. Well, actually, probably this should be as big as the user. So actually, let's reduce it here. Ah, that's the collider. Okay. So let's do that. Like this. Looks a bit weird, but that's okay. Okay, and so here we have the agent. And where's the agent actually? Can I show the agent here? There was a comment before. Empty game object with non-walkable. Yeah, we could also do that. But I think this works now well. And now we have this, so the camera is always, the agent should be following the camera. So if you go here, let's put this next to each other. It's not. It got stuck. Oh, where am I with my... Why are you not following me? Okay. Let me open the project actually. If I set it up correctly, I have the camera with the behavior. Yeah, I switched also to the default behavior script, I think, but that's not so important for this case. We don't even have the helper script. Nav mesh agent helper. There you go. That should do. Have you added the components? Now I have. There you go. Yeah, so if I go on the couch. Okay, so this is working. Why is it going down? Ah, that's because that's because the NFMesh agent is so small. I think the NFMesh agent itself is 0.6. Okay, so we should also put it actually 0.6. How high is 0.6? Because this is not the same 0.6 because we're in a capsule. Let's do it like this. Yeah, it's already past time, but I want to finish here something. Let's see. And then we're gonna have the NFMesh agent. We're gonna push it down. Is it the half? Well, that might be no. Where is it? Oh. How to switch view? Not with numpad. Why is it? Why can I not? Well, whatever. It will do. It will do. Okay, so we have an NFMesh agent. What color should we give him? Green. So in the beginning I always had this for reference, so I know where my agent is. Or like in a developer setting, I had this enabled in case it gets stuck somewhere. You know where it is. Let's see if that actually works now. Like he should not go half in the floor now. Oh, it still does. Why? Okay. Let's check again. So I think this is our agent. Obviously I cannot move it around because of this helper. Let's disable this one. Which is the actual agent? I think it's that little thing in here, but why is it so small? Maybe because of this. Is it reducing this from this, the half of it? A bit more than, yeah, that would be. So this would be 1. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Radius 1. No, but that's still the... Interesting, okay. Oh, I didn't know that. That's actually relative to the own component, but makes sense. But why is it in the half? Because of this? That's interesting. Ah, here we see it. Okay, let's see. Still 1. Maybe it's just how the cylinder works. Can we move it down? Ah, base offset. Okay. There we go. If you want it on the bottom. Okay. And then 1. I think that's because the capsule is a bit special. Yeah. Since we do 2, we have the whole capsule. Okay. Obviously the capsule is a bit fat. Oops. 0.3. Let's actually do it the same as the size of the... No, let's just keep it that way. So this is just visually, because this one will not fit through here. So, well, we're gonna remove this anyways. So let's just leave it like that. In some use cases, depending what you're doing, you might want to represent the real person walking through areas, because you don't want that they go to places where they really cannot walk. Depends a bit what use case you're working on. Or you could also switch those. For example, okay, you have a wheelchair person, you switch to another agent, etc. So this can be very powerful of customizing it to your needs. Let's try this out again, if this works. Yes. So he's now actually standing on it. And the good thing is, even if I go down with the camera, I still stand on it. Yeah, that's a good thing about the nav mesh agent. And even though I'm with my camera up here, because the person will be taller, your nav mesh, yeah, you see the cameras here, your nav mesh agent is still down here. So that should be good. And yeah. Next time we'll add the line to destination and add some fun stuff, the navigation stuff, and the whole navigation, the air navigation controller, which tracks a bit to track a bit the state of the whole thing, and this lets us a bit customize everything. And yeah, let's still push this. What was installed? Air navigation. Set up of nav mesh agent. Okay. Okay. I was hoping of it to go a bit further today, but with some challenges in setting up and everything, I think this is good if some people also see that struggle is normal. and that there are some solutions to it. Thank you guys for your help in the comments as well. And we still have an issue with Git LFS. Oh, that never worked. Okay, let's maybe restart this. Oh, come on, how can I exit? Is it the same file? Oh, now I don't see the message anymore. That's weird because we set up everything. Why can I not remove around this window? Something weird with my windows. With my windows on Windows. I cannot move this window to another display anymore. Where is it? What is happening? Okay, anyways. I'm gonna still figure out what this Git error is. Why can I not move this window? Oh, this sucks so much. Windows is just horrible. Horrible. We put it on Git LFS. What's the problem? Let's try it in there again here. I just realized that we didn't even push when we installed it. It never worked. Now stay on this screen, please. This is my main screen. Why are you opening on the other screen? And then I cannot toggle full screen. Ah, it was toggled full screen. Great. Okay. What is this? Is this the same? It's the same. Must it reduce the size of the above plus or utilize LFS? Okay, I did that. We did that. That's the beauty about programming, isn't it? Message retracted. Man, you seem so exhausted. Yeah, man. Today in the morning I was at a exhibition for 5 hours, and I was doing like representation stuff for our study course. And then in the afternoon there were like some meetings about many different projects. I took over the responsibility about robots of a guy who left, who's leaving because he's starting another study again. So yeah, my head was like, man, you seem so exhausted. Welcome to parents' life. No, it's not even showing this anymore. Is it the same message though? Git push. Is it the same blob? But that's the question. Oh, come on. Is it the same number? No, it's not. Six 3C B A1 15 EF. Well, that's, can we search it? Oh, this is the same number. I hate you, Git. Why are you doing this to me? Install. We actually installed it already, but let's see. Windows says you need to rest. Yeah, man. I'm not in the repository anymore. Projects. Yeah, that's usually when nothing is working anymore on Windows, the only thing that helps is restarting. And I still want to do a DevStream for Firefighter Vision. I will be falling asleep. Use the size of but why is it not working? Error failed to push some refs to Git LFS not working. Unity. Well, probably not Unity related, but let's see. Does the Git ignore has to do with it? Let's see more. Git now supports shadow partial clones. A partial cloning set this space and clone time. Oh yeah, but I already have the file. It's not about the cloning. I mean, every person that uploads with Vuforia will have this problem. Unless you don't need this TGC, but I'm pretty sure you need it. Let's see, where is it? It was, I think, here. We could try to remove it. Show in folder. No, I'm pretty sure this is the library. This is the library that we need. Yeah, it's directly imported here. So we need it. And this is too big. Okay, I will close the stream here. I will try to fix this still today or tomorrow. And yeah, definitely time to take a rest. Thank you very much for watching, and to see you in the next one. Cheers. Blah, blah, blah.